Alignment tax. Alignment tax.
Alignment tax is the measurable drop in an AI system's raw performance or capability that comes from adding safety and alignment constraints. In other words, you pay some speed, accuracy, or flexibility to keep the model's behavior within acceptable human-defined bounds.
A simple way to picture alignment tax is like adding speed limits and airbags to a race car. The car could go faster without them, but you deliberately cap its top speed and add protective systems, so crashes are less likely and less harmful. In AI, alignment mechanisms act like those safety features, slightly slowing or narrowing what the model can do to keep it within safe, predictable behavior.
Imagine a large language model that without constraints answers any question with maximum directness and creativity. After applying alignment methods like reinforcement learning from human feedback, the same model becomes more cautious. It refuses certain requests, avoids harmful content, and adds disclaimers. That extra filtering is the alignment tax, and it shows up as slower responses, shorter outputs, or slightly weaker benchmark scores compared with the unconstrained version.
Alignment tax matters because teams building real products must decide how much raw capability they are willing to sacrifice for safer, more reliable behavior. It shapes choices in model size, inference optimization, and how aggressively to tune with techniques like RLHF or other responsible AI practices. Alignment tax